So one of the main issues that I would call a manufacturing defect on the talaria is the battery holder. The battery does rattle around, but there is a fix. Let me show you this. So this is actually the battery case. This is where the battery goes in. As you can see, there is a lock mechanism in there. If Coco's gonna let me film this. Can you get away? All right, so inside, there's actually, this is where the battery goes in. There's actually a lock, so when your battery drops down, it's supposed to be held together. But as you can see, that isn't really working very well. The battery does rattle around, especially when you're off-road, and I do a lot of off-roading. So, I got these from PPC Oman, and they're basically foam pieces that you can, you know, cut into shape that you want. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding some padding onto the battery and inside. So when the battery does go in, loose. Okay, just trying to figure out where I need to put these pads on. I think we should be adding some padding over here and some at the back as well, and probably a lot more needed here at the top. Let's do this. All right, so to do this, what we're doing is we've got double-sided tape and we've cut them into small pieces. I'm gonna be putting them on the battery like this. See if that works. I think that's enough for the battery. Now, we're also going to be adding some padding over here at the top. So on the inside, what I did is, if you guys can see, I added this piece of foam here. That's already existing on the bike. And when I close, it's tight, but it locks on. And it's solid, honestly. I don't think this is gonna open easily. Time to go test this out.